guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost audio on CapCut PC. I will just be using an audio from this video. I'm just going to right click, extract audio. I cannot play the audio unfortunately, but you're just going to basically select your audio and you're going to kind of fully make it super loud, and then you're just going to copy and paste that 3 times. And at the last audio, you're just going to select voice changer, and then you're going to select the which one is the megaphone one, but you're just going to adjust it to your liking. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!